Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. I have a new incense holder I've been trying out with some incense inside burning. And so, what I invite you to do is light some incense and practice in the field of the incense, which of course will be something that you smell, maybe something that you see, maybe something that you feel, or some combination of those. I'm going to be doing it holding the incense so that I sometimes am moving away from the smoke and sometimes passing through it. And the idea is to kind of come into awareness of that changed air, right? So it's really, I enjoy the practice quite a bit. Something I'll practice in the fog as well, or in and out of the rain, where there's a roof, come under the roof and away from the roof. But anyway, the idea here is to just practice some Tai Chi Chuan in relationship to the changing smoke, the vagaries of the smoke, and perhaps be a little bit delighted, perhaps introduce a sacred element to your practice, but at any rate, just to absolutely enjoy yourself. So just want to set that down carefully. Thank you very much. By the way, we're testing out a new microphone setup software, so no idea if it's going to work, but thank you for joining. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.